What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're going to be jumping to the next one on our Steve Hogarth journey. This is you Dinosaur thing. I can only imagine what we're getting into with this one. This was coming out as via donation from Paul F. Much love, Paul. Let's jump in. Let's check this out. Apparently, this was going to wake us up. Let's see. All right. Yo, this got like an old school country feel to it. We already started off great. I'm so bored of you, and it didn't take long. This can be one of those angry but beautiful songs, Paul. Is that what this is? Let's go. It didn't take long. I hear all about you every day of the month. You sounded so in control of it on radio. Let's go. And though they all seem to, and though they all dream of you, retro side jumbles in your dinosaur thing. Afro's out, boneheads in your dinosaur. Oh, you're a dinosaur thing. What is going on in this video? I'm so lost. Look at this. We got people. Let me get ready. He was right. We're woke up. Look at this. This is the most spontaneous, random, like, group band. Everybody is so unique. Just very, very different. Paul, I love it, though. Let's go. You know, we like some unique stuff. You definitely said it was going to wake me up. You were not lying. What did that say? What did that say, Billboard, or did it say something else? In its pajamas. Yo, who's he angry at? Paul, tell me who this man is angry at. You're just another spotty fool? Like, who we talking about here? He's obviously got someone in his mind that he's talking about when he's saying you dinosaur thing. You're just another spotted fool who started a group. Okay, it's somebody in a group. Afro is out. What's in? Help us out. Rag it all in. You dinosaur. Jumbo is in, as he said. Whoa! You can't remember how it feels to kick your No, I'm not. I can't rock that. 51. 21, not 21, 51. These are all him, aren't they? He's just dressed up as different people, isn't he? Run! Get out of there! It's like a rock and roll diss track. Are we gonna have anything hidden in here? All right, very cool performance by Steve Hogarth. Definitely want to know who he was firing shots at, though, Paul. You're gonna have to fill me in on the backstory to this one, because there was some things said in there. You just another spotty fool who started a group. He's angry at somebody, some group, something caused him to write this craziness with this super spontaneous music video. One of the most spontaneous music videos we might have ever seen. Definitely was a cool one, though. Like, it's an adventure. You know, I really am enjoying, as far as like the Steve Hogarth and Marillion. The man has a way with words. It's almost like putting poetry to music all the time. And there's always some kind of little hidden secret meanings in there, which we can appreciate. We like going on little Da Vinci Code hunts when we're doing our reactions, 100%. If you guys enjoyed as much as I did, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos up here. Subscribe right down here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.